Welcome students. We have completed this chapter, that is the autobiography of a great Indian bustard. Today we'll discuss some activity and question answer related to this chapter. Like the first activity in this chapter is you have to read the passage aloud twice to understand it properly by writing down the meanings which I have already asked. Now, the second question activity is suppose you are going to meet the great Indian bustard. Okay, so what are the 10 questions you're going to ask? That is, you are taking a interview of the great Indian bustard. I am sending you some of the questions. You can add if you like it. Yes, see, these are some of the probable questions you can ask. That hello, congratulations for getting the status of the state bird of Rajasthan. How do you feel about it? How do you feel when you did not become the national bird of India? And how do you protect yourself from hunters? Like, do you feel safe in sanctuaries? So these are the question, probable question you will going to ask. I'm sending you answer, but if you wish you can add some more questions. Okay, now the next activity is that you need to write a letter to great Indian bustard. Okay, you may use these following points given here, like why you need to protect the bird, what you plan to do to help the bird, and all those things. So you write a letter. First you write your address, okay, in the left hand side. Everything should be on the left hand side. Then you are writing this letter to your friend about the great Indian bustard. So first you write your address, okay. Then you write your friend's name, dear whoever XYZ. Then hi, how are you? What are your activities in social work and all. Then you can write that what do you want to share information about great Indian bustard. Then your loving friend, etc. everything at the left hand side. I'll send you attachment of how to write a letter, okay, in your group only. So just check it. The next activity would be like some statements are given over here. You have to tick it if it matches with the great Indian bustard or with some other birds. Like it's this: I am the heaviest flying bird in India. So yes, so you have to tick in the great Indian bustard, GIB, in the column of GIB. Then I am known as Maldhok or whom in Marathi. Of course, yes. Then you tick in GIB's column. I live in mountain regions, some other bird, take in some other bird column. I don't like grasshopper or beetle. They like grasshopper or beetle. Okay, so take in some other bird. 3 or 4 I have discussed. The remaining you have to do yourself. These are easy one. Okay, you just have to tick if it matches with GIB or if matches with some other birds. Now the next activity. Leave the 6 number. 7, I think I have asked you to draw a poster, make a poster of GIB about the conservation of this bird. Now the 8th one. Write and short autobiography of any bird or animal of your choice. What is autobiography? I have already told you. When you write about yourself, like I am the bird, I am that animal. You have to use I. Suppose you are writing autobiography on a dog, so you will write that I am a dog. Everybody calls me Tommy. I am a, maybe you can say you are a street dog or a domestic dog, in that way. Okay. Suppose you are writing an autobiography on a tiger, so you will write that I am a tiger. I was born in the forest 8 years ago, and my parents are the king's friend in the jungle. One day one hunter came and caught me and put me in the circus. In all those ways, like you have to write by saying yourself. You are telling your story is autobiography, so you will write an autobiography of any bird or animal. Okay, yes. Now next activity would be 9, 10 and 11. These are cancelled. Now directly come to the 12 number activity. What 12 number is saying, some of the words are given in the blue box. You have to separate them as noun or verb or adjective, adverb, pronoun. All these we have done in class 5th. Okay, so which words are noun, which are verbs, which are adjective, which are adverbs, which are pronoun. Noun means name of anything. Verbs mean any activity. Adjective is what? A quality of anything. Adverb means the word which are ending with ly, or the words which adds meaning to verb, additional verb to verb. And pronoun means the word which are used instead of noun. Okay, so these are the words you have to distinguish. Like some of them I am telling you, like bird is what? A name of a animal or thing. Okay, so it will be a noun. Wonderful means giving a quality to something, so it would be adjectives. Okay, the same way you have to do all these words. Make column. Okay, noun, verb, adjective, adverb, make column and put the words which column they belong, and write down everything in your notebook and submit to me. Okay, thank you students.